Shirley.
I have a question,
Okay,
and it should be on your cash flow statement. Based off the last parent meeting that you guys stated, a number for fundraising, you stated a lot of dollars that were received from your fundraising events, and I don't see those numbers reflected here in your cash flow. So even if it cost you, like you stated, over 20-something thousand that you received from fireworks, and then it cost you, I don't know, I think you said 28, and it cost you 26,000, you should still have the cash deposit in here, and then the expenses on where that 24, 26,000 went. And I don't see anything on here.
That information was provided to the OCC president of the revenue and expenses of the fundraising. Gross and net.
For your cash flow statement, should have those deposits, right, Agustin?
I understand your question. I'm not saying, I don't know why they're not.
Yeah, I
I
mean.
understand your question.
So I
Okay,
guess,
I can't hear the conversation,
Donna-
so is there something I should be answering here?
Yes, Donna, so the question is, there were the fireworks fundraiser, it doesn't seem to be reflected in the cash flow.
The fireworks, okay, let me have a look here.
so I guess also Donna, the piece is that, I don't know if we need to have the gross and the net. Is that what?
Well, it's just not reflected.
So even if
It's
it
not broken
costs,
down,
yeah, even if it costs you a lot, your
Yeah,
cash
yeah.
deposit goes in first here to show that activity. And then underneath, under expenses, you state what those expenses are. But you have a total of only 11,000 in July, nothing in August, and 3,000 in September. And at the parent meeting, there was many more thousands of dollars that were discussed that you had brought up with your laptop. So that
Donna,
should be
did you get the
reflected.
question?
No, I didn't. I'm looking at the actual general ledger for fundraising receipts in the accounting system, and I see in the month of July, the fireworks sales were 11,847. So on the cash flow, that's showing in July under fundraising.
628.
Was that?
And then in September, there were no receipts recorded for fundraising in August. And then in September, the fundraising receipts of 2542 are all for a barbecue fundraiser.
Okay, so I'm trying to get some understanding here because I'm still a little confused. So that sounds like what we presented to at the last OCC meeting, the gross receipts for fireworks was 20-some thousand. And so I guess the numbers are not reflected, Donna, on the total sales, the gross sales, and then minus the expenses and everything that we paid. And so then to come out with the net. I guess that's what the question is, right? What are the 20-some reflected in expenses, therefore you get a net?
Right, that's how it works, yeah.
So
Okay, so are you saying that you realized more revenue than $11,000 in July for fireworks? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, because the rest of it, 11,000 was the cash, or not cash, but checks received or cash received, and then the rest was paid with credit cards. So we need to clarify that for the income statement, Donna. There was other amounts received, and those were paid with a credit card, with the card, Square, what do you call it, Square?
Yeah, so the all the credit card charges go directly to TNT. So when we go to pay the bill at the end, TNT says, this is how much all your credit cards are received. You received, say, 14,000 in credit cards. So that is taken off of what we sold. So because it goes directly to TNT's account, and that just, it's like a credit for us. That's why it doesn't reflect the whole 20-some thousand in there. And that's how every school does it. It's done with it gets deposited to TNT, and then it gets deducted.
So where would you reflect that activity on your statements?
So,
But the cash was never came into us though.
Donna, I guess the cash flow is monies received. There has to be maybe some clarification on the fireworks. We sold more than that amount. About 20-some thousand was sold. So part of it, what Eric is saying, it was paid directly to TNT. And so that activity needs to be reflected. So can we work on that to make sure the activity is reflected, please? The total activity.
Oasis is gonna have to send us an accounting of it for us to book it. And all we received from Oasis is, a deposit. Let's see here.
We can definitely give you that information.
It was
Donna,
a
we have
deposit on
accounting.
7/5, a cash of $11,847, and that's all we've received from Oasis
That
for
is-
any fundraising receipts for the fireworks.
That is correct, so let's work on the accounting. We do have the breakdown of revenue minus expenses and what the net amount was. So can we,
Well, okay, but you're saying that the revenue was 20,000.
no, 20 plus?
I don't-
No.
I'm not seeing that.
Donna, the sales were the 20,000 amount. The deposits were the correct amount that you have in, so we just need a ballot to show all those, all the revenues minus deposits and balances so that it's clear that the sales equal the amount that was paid and that was retained by all entities. So it's breaking down that entire amount of sales. And I probably wouldn't be reflected in your books because it's not reflected in anyone's books. But I think that we need to get some clarification so
No, I
that.
mean, I was.
Okay, well.
So no.
Okay,
Transactions
so
are.
what
should-
we're
I
showing
understand,
right
what
now
you're saying. I completely understand.
Fireworks.
We don't need to get into.
is that one deposit for the 11,000. And then we're showing a payment under fundraising expense to American Promotional Events for $3,628.54. Board of Equalization Fireworks Fundraiser Use Tax Fees, $2,403.52. TNT Fireworks, $185. Another one, the City of Salinas, which I'm not sure if that's for the fireworks or not, but that's another $1,896. So, do any of those expenses sound right to you, Juanita?
They are all correct. I guess we just need to show the sales minus all of the expenditures.
Well, we're gonna have to do that as a subledger, because you didn't actually receive $20,000 in cash. I mean, you didn't put $20,000 in cash in your bank. So I need to see, someone needs to send over a reconciliation of what you're talking about, and then I'll see how we can book it.
Yeah, we can
That's what I was referring to.
And that makes sense,
That's
because
right.
just from what I observed.
A subledger, it's gonna be
You were there.
provided, I'm sorry, the information will be provided to you, Donna, in the next few days so that you can have a subledger showing the total amount of sales.
Okay, all right, yeah. I'm not sure how we'll incorporate it into the accounting system, or if we can, but we can definitely keep a subledger of those, the revenues versus the expenses. And we should be able to tie that back to the accounting system.
And
So once I see it, I can tell you how we can make this work.
And Donna, if the only reason I'm asking is because I've seen and heard a lot of questions regarding the fundraising, a lot of concerns. 2 of the board members attended a parent meeting, and so I would think that you would want to provide subledgers and just clarity on how these transactions are occurring. If you have all the information and it's readily apparent, then you should just be able to work together to provide that on a more regular basis, because what's been provided so far isn't sufficient.
Okay, so,
Okay, so for ARI to provide anything, we have to receive it from the school. So the school has to send us the complete reconciliation that you have, and then we can incorporate it in. We do not have any way of knowing what the total sales were. We don't have access to the credit card you're talking about. So,
yes,
there's no way that we can pull this data together without the school assisting.
and we actually have it, Donna, and the copy of the deposits, bank statements, and receipts, every receipt and every piece of information we had was provided to the OCC president at the October 6th meeting. So we'll provide it to you and we can see how we can incorporate it. How about that?
Okay, that sounds fine, Juanita.
Thank you.
Okay, now that we all understand the problem, let's see if we can reach a solution shortly. Andrew?
Well, I didn't hear an expense for the total payroll for that month.
We won't, if it's related to, is it related to the fireworks?
Absolutely, yeah.
No, we've already established that we're gonna provide all the information to our accountant,
Oh.
and they're gonna create a sub-ledger of all the expenses against revenues and everything, so it'll be presented at the next meeting. We won't get into details of it any further. Thank you.
Okay, moving on.